Yeah, we can. Yeah, let's hustle. We do need to go get a funnel cake though. Can you do that real quick? Sorry? What is it? Then yeah, Caesar. Oh, they added fever?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit less Caesar. That looks like a lot of fever.
Yeah, I did add a little bit of fever. A lot. A little lost.
The burgers on the grill should be ready.
Okay.
I'll get you to pick these up. Thank you, Michaela. Oh. Yeah, they are. Funnel cake's ready. Still need that 2 small sims. Okay, pretty much all 3. We need 3 smalls down, 3 small fries down. My gravy's a little runny. How you doing, dude? All right, down, down, down. You're dropping the birds?
Yeah, I'm dropping the bird now.
3 patties. Nice, okay. And then next order, large pickle puts in, medium pickle puts in.